वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः अधीतमासीत् यत् सिंहेन आक्रमणं कृतं गोः उपरि। तद्दृष्ट्वा राजा दिलीपः तस्य सुरक्षां कर्तुं प्रयतते, किन्तु प्रयत्नेन अपि सः सफलो न भवति। तदा तस्य सिंहस्य मध्ये तथा राज्ञः मध्ये परिचयः स्वपरिचयः भवति। सिंहः वदति यत् अहं कुम्भोदरः नाम माम् अवेहि। यू अंडरस्टैंड, माय नेम इज Kumbhodara. I am the particular friend of that's how he explains. He gives his introduction and he says his responsibilities regarding protecting the Devadaru Vriksha and that place also. यदा सिंहः सर्वम् उक्तवान् पुनः सः वदति किमर्थं भवान् भोः अस्याः धेनोः पालनकरणार्थं भवान् स्वदेहम् अर्पयति। सः वदति एकातपत्रं जगतः प्रभुत्वं वयं नवः कान्तमिदं वपुश्च अल्पस्य हेतोर्बहु हातुमिच्छन् विचारमूढः प्रतिभासि मे त्वम्। He says that lion started saying, O Rajan, you are the king of the whole world. जगतः प्रभुत्वं तव सकाशे अस्ति। एकातपत्रं, there is no another पत्र। आतपत्र इत्यस्य अर्थः भवति छत्रम्। एक छत्री राजा भवान् वर्तते, अपरः राजा तत्र नास्ति इति अर्थः। जगतः प्रभुत्वं वयं नवं वयः वर्तते, तारुण्ययुक्तः भवान् असि, त्वम् असि। ततः कान्तम् इदं वपुः कान्तं वर्तते, रम्यं वर्तते। यू आर वेरी हैंडसम, यू हैव द ability to protect the kingdom. That is how he explains. But alpasya hetoho bahuhatumichan, for the sake of this cow you want to give up your this kind of body, you want to give up everything. Ekatapatram jagata prabhutvam navam vayah kantam idam vapu sarvam etad hatumicchasi evam hatumichan bhavan vicharamudah pratibhasi एवं इतोपि अपरः वादः प्रस्तूयते सिंहेन। सिंहः वदति तत्तु मास्तु, तत्तु अस्तु। भूतानुकंपा तव चेत् इयं गौः एका भवेत् स्वस्तिमति त्वदन्ते। If you die, what will happen? Only one cow will be protected. But if you live a long life, you will be taking care of all your prajajana. So that's how he says. He gives various vadas and tries to convey him that do not give up your body for the sake of cow. You take care of your body, you will be able to protect your kingdom, etc. Then Raja says no. Whatever responsibility is given to me, I have to fulfill that. I am kshatriya. Kshatat kilatrayate iti व्युत्पत्त्या क्षत्रियः शब्दः निर्मीयते। अहं क्षत्रियः अस्मि इति कृत्वा क्षतात्रायते इति शब्दस्य तत्र साधुत्वं मया साधनीयम् इति कृत्वा राजा वदति केनापि उपायेन अहम् एनां रक्षितुम् इच्छामि, प्राणत्यागेन अपि अस्याः रक्षणम् अहं करिष्यामि। एवं सर्वं राजा अपि उक्तवान्। तदा पुनः तत्र कः प्रसङ्गः प्रचलति तस्य विषये किञ्चित् अहं दर्शयामि। अयं श्लोकः दृष्टः आसीत् पुनः गतकक्षायां। सेयं स्वदेहार्पणनिष्क्रयेण न्याय्यामया मोचयितुं भवतः न पारणास्याद् विहता तवैवं भवेदलुप्तश्च मुनेः क्रियार्थम। Raja Dilip says, sa cow, sa dhenu iyam, that cow who is looking at me for helping, that kind of cow, maya swadeha arpana nishkramena, tatra nishkrama atra typo vartate, nishkramayena निष्क्रयेण क्षम्यतां निष्क्रयेण मोचयितुं न्याय्याम् एव. I have to take this cow, I have to free this cow from your attack, and you take my body rather than cows. And tava parana vihata na syat, if you take my body, your parana, your upvasa also will be fulfilled and you will have enough food to have. Kriyartah cha aluktah bhavet, says this cow is for yajna kriya, and if she dies, Maharshi Vasishtha cannot perform kriyas, so kriya lopa will happen. But if cow is protected, then kriyartah cha aluktah bhavet, that will continue. Yajna etc. will continue. That is how we saw in last shlok. Now let's move to next. अत्र भवान् एव प्रमाणमित्याह. पुनः अयम् इंट्रेस्टिंग श्लोकः वर्तते, अस्मिन् विषये पश्यामः. भवानपीदं परवानवैति महान् हि यज्ञस्तव देवदारौ स्थातुं नियुक्तुर्न हि शक्यमग्रे विनाश्य रक्षं स्वयमक्षतेन. वेरी नाइस श्लोक. ही सेज परवान भवान अपि अवैति तव देवदारौ महान् यज्ञः रक्षं विनाश्य स्वयं अक्षतेन नियुक्तुः अग्रे स्थातुं न शक्यं हि अत्र पूर्वं त्यक्तुं स्थापयितुं शक्यते. परवान् इत्यस्य अर्थः भवति स्वामी परतन्त्रः. who is a परवान् means the servant who has some master. Swami Paratantra. Bhavan api Swami Paratantra. Bhavan api Paravan eva. You know you are servant and I am also servant. You are the servant of Lord Shiva and I am the servant of Maharshi Vasishtha. So our dharma is same. Whatever duty has been assigned to us, we have to fulfill that, right? So you know your responsibilities in the form of servant. Whatever you have to do, you have to do. So what responsibilities has been given to you? Raja says you have to take care of Devadaru Vriksha, right? And you are doing that. And in the same way, I am also assigned to take care of this cow. So I have to do that duty. I have to fulfill that duty by giving up my prana also. Prana tyagena api raksham rakshaniyam iti artha. Let's see Anvaya how he says. Paravan means Swami Paratantraha. Bhavan api, you are also Swami Paratantraha. Avaiti, you know your responsibilities. Tava Devadaru Mahan Yatnyaha. You also are putting lots of efforts to take care of Devadara Vriksha. Raksham Vinasha, whatever is Raksha Vastu, like if in your case, Devadaru Vriksha, taking care of Devadaru Vriksha is your responsibility. And if in some case, Raksham Vinasha, if that Vriksha is destroyed without affecting your body, etc., you are the safe and you are standing. How can you stand in front of your Swami? In the same way, that which should be protected must be protected by doing anything. If a servant doesn't do that, how can he stand in front of his master, his own master? So he cannot. The same idea here is presented. Paravan Swami Paratantraha Bhavan api Paratantraha Paradhinaha Paravan Nathavan iti Amarkoshaha. Idam Vakshamanam Avaiti. Whatever I am going to explain, you know that. Bhavata anubhuyate eva, because you are the servant. Sheshe prathama iti bhavata bhavan ityanena tatra avaiti. Avaiti iti kriyapadam sheshe prathama iti sutrena pratham purusha bhavati. Yatra bhavat shabdasya bhavan bhavantau athva bhavati bhavatyau bhavatyah ittesham prayogah tatra prathama purusha upayujyate. Kim iti atah ah hi yasmadhetoh tatra hi shabdah purvam anyatavya. हि तावत् तौ अवधारणे इत्यमरः. तव देवदारु विषये वैषयिक सप्तमी वर्तते. महान् यत्नः महता यत्नेन भवान् वृक्षः रक्ष्यते, भवता वृक्षः रक्ष्यते अथवा भवान् वृक्षं रक्षितवान् अथवा रक्षति इति अर्थः। इदं शब्दोक्तम् अर्थं दर्शयति अधुना। स्थातुम् इति रक्षं वस्तु विनाश्य, विनाशं गमयित्, वाट् एवर् should be protected, if that is destroyed, swayam akshaten, and there is no effect or no injury on your own body. And means without putting anything, without putting efforts, not like that, without taking any responsibilities of that vriksha or whatever should be protected. If you don't perform your duties and you just stand in front of Swami, how it would look like? No, it is not good. स्वयं अक्षतेन नियोक्तुः स्वामिनः अग्रे स्थातुं शक्यं न, कदापि न। तथा अर्थ एवं अत्र प्रतिपादितः। अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः। किमप्यहिंस्यस्तव चैन्मतोऽहं यशः शरीरे भव मे दयालुः एकान्तविध्वंसिषु मद्विधानां पिण्डेष्वनास्था खलु भौतिकेषु। एतः अयमपि एकः सुन्दरः श्लोकः कालिदासेन लिखितः। अयं वदति, किमपि अहं तव अहिंस्यः मतः। If you consider me as ahimsah, then chet me yashash sharire dayalu bhava. You be compassionate to my body, consisting the glory body. Yashash sharire, the body which consists the glory. Madvidhanam ekanta vidvamseshu bhautikeshu padarteshu pindeshu anastha khalu. For in the case of people like me, madvidhanam ekanta vidvamseshu, there is a utter want of regard for the necessary perishable lumps of the matter, body. Pinda ityasya body ityarthah स्वीकर्तुं शक्यते। अयमपि सरलः श्लोकः। किमपि किं वा अहं तव अहिंस्यः मतश्चेत्, if you consider me as ahimsya, not to be or not fit to be killed, me यशः शरीरे मम यत् किमपि यशः शरीरं वर्तते, यत् भवता उक्तं वयं नवः कान्तमिदं वपुश्च इत्यादिकं सर्वं जगत्प्रभुत्वम् इत्यादिकं सर्वम् अस्ति मम यशः शरीरे, तस्मिन् भवान् दयालु भव। You consider that yashakaya as your food. You can eat me, that's it. सत् दयालुः कारुणिकः इत्यमरः इति अमरकोशः अमरः वदति। ननु मुख्यम् उपेक्ष आमुख्य शरीरे को अभिनिवेशः। तत्र अतः वाह why do you want to give up your body? He says एकांत madvidhanam madrushanam vivekinam. I am a viveki person, and for viveki people ekanta vidvamseshu avashya vinasheshu, one day this body is going to be destroyed by some reason, not by you but some other reasons, and it has to end one day. That's how those who are viveki, they do not regret, they do not care of their body, in the sense they not worry about their body, because whatever is produced यद् जायते तद् म्रियते एव। अयं तु नियमः अस्ति, गीतायां सर्वत्र सर्ववेदान्तवाक्येषु तदेव उच्यते। यद् जायते, यत् पदार्थः जातः सः मृतः भवति, यः मृतः सः पुनः जातः भवति इति कृत्वा अवश्यविनाशेषु भौतिकेषु पदार्थेषु पृथिव्यादिभूतविकारेषु पिण्डेषु नाम शरीरेषु अनास्था खलु, अनपेक्षा एव खलु, स्थान यत्नापेक्षया अपेक्षासु कथ्यते इति विश्वास। स्थान यत्न अपेक्षा इति। तर्हि राजा वदति, यू डोंट वरी, you just take care of my body, you just take my body as your food, and do your parana, because I do not have any hopes, any minus in my body. It is going to be die one day, let it die today. I don't worry about that. So this is how Raja Dilipa explains. Now next shloka. Sambandhamaabhashanam purvamahur वृत्तस्सनौ संगतयोर्वनान्ते तद्भूतनाथानुगः नार्हसि त्वं संबंधिनो मे प्रणयं विहन्तुम्. Another nice shloka. He says sambandham abhashana purvam ahuhu. The wise people, they say friendly connection has conversation for it cause. Whenever there is a friend or a friendliness, it happens because of some connection. Nobody can directly become friends without speaking, without there is a connection. If they come together, they speak something, they share, they listen, they see each other, then thereafter, by hearing their qualities, by listening their ability, whatever, when we see someone, then we fell in love with them and we become a friend. Similar way, we also became a friend, right? सह वनान्ते संगतयोः वृत्तः तत् भूतनाथानुगः संबंधिनः मे प्रणयं विहन्तुं त्वं नार्हसि. Very nice point. Raja Dilipa is explaining here. He says, Sambandha Sakhyam. Actually, what he wants to say, Alapa matrena, just by speaking, Sakhyam sanjayate, mitrata happens. Tathavidam Sakhyam avayoho vanamadhe nishpannam. And that kind of Sakhyam has, arise between us, between two of us. Then, Ataha, that's why, He Ishvara Kinkaraha, He Bhutanathanugaha, Tvaya me sambandinah pranayah vihantum na arihate. So now this is my prarthana. Mitrasya prarthana vihantum na yogyah. That is how we have to say. Mitrasya mama prarthana bhavata na tyajya iti artha. Now let's see Mallinatha how he elaborates. Mallinatha says sambandam sakhyam. Atra sambandha shabdena sakhyata स्वीकर्तव्य. संबंधम सख्यम आभाषण पूर्वम आभाषणम आलापः आलापः पूर्वम पूर्वम इत्यस्य अत्र अर्थः कारणम यस्य तम आहुः स्यात् आभाषणम आलापः इति अमरः अमरः वदति आभाषण इत्यस्य कृते आलाप शब्द उपयुज्यते. सो आभाषण पूर्वम संबंधम नाम आभाषणम एव cause यस्य कृते वर्तते तद संबंध नाम आभाषणम एव संबंधाय कल्पते. आभाषणेन अथवा भाषणेन संभाषणेन मित्रता जन्यते. तत्र मित्रत्वं वयं संपादयामः संभाषणेन इति अर्थः. सः तादृक् संबन्धः वनान्ते संगतयोः नौ व्रतः. सह संबंधः वनान्ते वनमध्ये संगतयोः we came together and because of our sangati there is a mitrata sanjata, there is a conversation between us and we like each other because there is a similarity. I am also servant, you are also servant. That's how our mitrata has taken place. Now tatah hetoho he bhutanathanugah हे शिवानुचरः हे शिवकिंकरः ईश्वर किंकरः एतेन तस्य महत्वं सूचयति. नाउ यू आर द किंकर, यू आर द सर्वेंट ऑफ लॉर्ड शिव, यू आर द महान. अतः you person people like you, person like you should not give up the friendness, the friendliness. You should not reject me. You should not reject our connection, our sambandha, our sakhyam, अतः एव सम्बन्धिनः मित्रस्य मे प्रणयः प्रार्थनां, प्रणय इति शब्देन प्रार्थना इति अत्र स्वीकुर्मः, याच्यां प्रणयास्त्वमि विश्रम्भयाच्च प्रेमाणः इति अमरः विहन्तुं न अर्हसि इति सरल अर्थः अत्र प्रदर्शितः। तथेति अग्रिमः श्लोकः, तथेति गामुक्तवते दिलीपः सद्य प्रतिष्ठम्भ विमुक्तबाहुः संन्यस्तशस्त्रो हरये स्वदेहम् उपानयत् पिण्डमिवामिषस्य। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस श्लोक अगेन। He says तथेति, तथा इति, गाम उक्तवते हरये सद्यः प्रतिष्ठम्भ विमुक्तबाहुः दिलीपः न्यस्तशस्त्रः स्वदेहम् आमिषस्य पिण्डम् इव उपानयत्। Now here, what does Dilipa do? The idea is explained by Kavi Kalidasa. He says, तथा अस्तु इति कथितवते सिंहाय, when Simha said तथा अस्तु, that time Dilipa Tyaktayudah, he has given up his arrow and bow, etc., everything. He just gave up. And तथा सन निजदेहम मांसपिंडम इव तस्मै समर्पितवान्. He just gave up his body, he just surrendered his body towards Simha. So that idea here is presented, how Mallinatha explains. Mallinatha says, तथेति तथा इति, तथास्तु इति गाम उक्तवते हरये, गाम उक्तवते हरये सिंह, हरय अत्र हरि इत्यस्य शब्दः अर्थः सिंह इति। सिंहाय, सिंहस्य कृते पिण्डम् इव उपानयत्, समर्पितवान्, हरये समर्पितवान्। तथा अस्तु इति उक्तवते सिंहाय सः किं कृतवान्, स्वदेहं समर्पितवान्। मध्ये मध्ये किं किम् अस्ति तत् पश्यामः। कपौ सिंहे सुपर्णे च वर्णे विष्णौ हरिं विदुः। हरि इति शब्दस्य अर्थः कः इति चेत् हरिं विदुः। हरिं किं वदुः, हरिं कपौ कपि इति वदुः, सिंह इति वदुः, सुवर्णः इति वदुः, वर्णे इति वदुः, विदुः, विष्णुः इति विदुः इति शाश्वत मध्ये हरिशब्दस्य इमे अर्थाः भवन्ति। अत्र हरिशब्दस्य कः अर्थः, सिंहः इति अर्थः स्वीकृतः। नारदविषयी कथा भवन्तः जानन्ति एव, तत्र कपिः इति अर्थः। सद्यः तत्क्षणे एव सः प्रतिष्ठम्भात् प्रतिबन्धात् विमुक्तः बाहुः यस्य, नाम his hand was paralyzed, but now when he says I have surrendered my body to you, when he says that, he gives up everything. He don't even put his hand on bow. He just left everything. बाहु यस्य प्रतिष्ठम्भात् प्रतिबन्धात् विमुक्तः बाहु यस्य सः प्रतिष्ठम्भ विमुक्त बाहुः. Now his hand was not paralyzed. दिलीपः न्यस्तशस्त्रः त्यक्तायुधः सन् स्वदेहम् आमीशस्य, आमीश मीन्स मांसम, मांसस्य पललम क्रव्यम आमीशम इति अमरः। पललम इति आमीशस्य क्यू अथवा मांसस्य कृते शब्दः। पिंडम कवलम इव, ग्रास इव, lump of the flesh, like a lump of the flesh. कवलम इव उपानयत्, समर्पितवान्। एतेन निर्ममत्वं तस्य दिलीपस्य उक्तम्। How निर्ममता? He has no attention, not attention, what I wanted to say, he has no desire to take care of his own body. For big purpose, he can left his body, he can leave his body. There is no nirmamata, there is no mamatva in his body. This is how his nirmamatva is shown. Okay. Now when he has left his arrow, when he has given up his everything and just surrender to Simha and said, you can eat me. That time what happened? Tasmin kshane palayituh prajanam utpashyata simha nipatamugram avan mukhasyo paripushpa vrishti papata vidyadhara hastamukta. Now he just did Anjali and he said, "O Simha, you can have me." Then Tasmin Shane, what happens? Tasmin Kshane Simha Nipatinam Simha Nipatanam no Simha Nipatam Utpashyatah. Now in the within a moment Simha is going to attack on me and I have do nothing. I have to just surrender my body. I have to just give up my body. That's it. He thinks about this, and now what he does avang mukham. He just with his face down, prajanam palayituhu upari, on his Simha did not attack on him. He was thinking that Simha will attack me. But what happens? Tasya prajanam palayituhu upari vidyadhara hasta mukta pushpa vrishti papata. Simha na papata, pushpa vrishti papata. The terrible lip of the lion, there fell a showers of flowers discharged by the hands of Vidyadharas. Very nice. He might be thinking, oh, Simha is going to attack. And when Pushpa Vrishti happens, he might, Simha, that attack should be, terrible. But it seems very nice. Tasmin Kshane, in that moment, agre iti bhavet khelu. Simhanipatam utpashyatah utprekshamanasya tarkayatah. Now what he might be thinking that Simha is going to attack. That's how achang mukhans avang mukhasya bhavet. Tatra achang iti jatam tatra typo vartate. Avang mukhasya upari avang mukhasya ityasya artah adho mukhasya, one who has done his face downwards. Sat avang api adhumukah iti amarah. Prajanam palayituhu upari, radnyah upari, uparishtat, uparishtat iti nipatah. Vidyadharasta mukta, vidyadharanam devayoni visheshanam hastaihi mukta, pushpavrishti papata. Pushpavrishti has happened. Now what happens next? Uttishta vatsetyamritayamanam वचो निशम्योत्थितमुत्थितः सन् ददर्श राजा जननीमिव स्वां गाम ग्रतः प्रस्रविणीं नसिंहम्. What happens now? When Pushpa Vrishti has happened, that time Raja says, oh, what's there? There is no Simha, there is something else. What else? Raja amrutayamanam he vatsa Uttishta iti vachah nishamya utthitah. Raja gets up. Raja gets up. Why he got up? Amrutayamanam vatsa uttishta iti vachah nishamya. He hears some words. Oh my child. Like now hearing the words gladdening like nectar. Rise, my child. Utter there. Those words were uttered. Iti kritva uttitah. Atra uttitam vachah iti bhavet. He vatsa uttishta iti uttitam. Uttitam asya artah bhavati uchcharitam vachah nishamya. Those words, utter words, having listening those uttered word, the king raised. The king got up. And what he say? Raja jananim iva swam gam agratah prasavinim gam dadarsha nasimham dadarsha ityartah. He saw the cow in the form of his own mother, like his own mother, not form of, but he saw the cow standing before him like his own mother. And he with तत्र प्रसविनीं with milk dripping down from her udder. That is how he saw. Not Simha, not lion, and lion was not there. That is how the idea is. Here, let's see Sanjivani Tika. Raja Dilipah Amrutam iv acharati iti amrutayamanam. Like Amrut, like nectar, that Vani, he has listened that. उपमानादाचारे इति क्यप् प्रत्ययः भवति तेन अमृतायमानं ततः शानस् प्रत्ययो कृत्वा अमृतायमान इति शब्दः साधितः। उत्थितम् उत्पन्नं हे वत्स उत्तिष्ठ इति वचं निशम्य श्रुत्वा उत्थितः सन् he got up and अस्तेः शत्रु प्रत्ययो कृत्वा सन् प्रत्ययः साधितः। अग्रतः अग्रे प्रसवः क्षीरस्रावः अस्ति यस्याः सा तां प्रसविनीं गां स्वां जननीम् इव ददर्श. He saw the cow in front of, before him, like his own janani, not simham na dadarsha इति अर्थः. सरलमासीत् अग्रे सरामः. तं विस्मितं धेनुरुवाच साधो मायां मयोद्भाव्य परीक्षितोऽसि ऋषिप्रभावान् मयि नान्तकोऽपि प्रभुः प्रहर्तुं किमुतान्यहिंस्त्राः. Now that cow, that Nandini, is starting saying something. What she says, Vismitam Dhenu Uvacha. The cow does address the astonished king. Vismitam tam dilipam dhenuhu uvacha. Hey sadhu, O beloved me, O nice, O wise person, O nice, O sadhu, like that. Maya mayam udbhavya parikshitah asi. You are examined, you are tested by me, by creating an illusion. Mayam udbhavya, creating the illusion. You were parikshita, you are examined, you are tested by me. Maya parikshitah asi. ऋषि प्रभावान मयि अंतकः प्रहर्तुम न प्रभु. Even antaka, even Yamaraj is not, even Yamaraj has no power to kill me because of Rishi Prabhavat. ऋषि प्रभावात् इति भवेत्. ऋषि प्रभावात् मयि अंतकः अपि प्रहर्तुं न प्रभुः. Because of the sage, power of sage, not even the god of death can strike me. What to talk about Anyahimsraha? No one else, nobody can kill me, nobody can destroy me. That is how cow says. Vismitam आश्चर्यई गतम इति भवेत्. आश्चर्यं गतम इति भवेत्. कर्तरि कः आश्चर्ये गतम. तं दिलीपम्. अत्र सर्वत्र टाइपो वर्तन्ते. अत्र रेड करोमि. दिलीपं धेनुः उवाच. किम अत्र आह हे साधो. किम उवाच उच्यते. हे साधो मया मायामुद्भाव्य कल्पयित्वा परीक्षितः असि. सरलमस्ति. ऋषि प्रभावात् मयि अन्तकः यमः अपि प्रहर्तुं न प्रभुः न समर्थः. अन्ये हिंस्राः घातकाः भवेत् पुनः. अन्ये हिंस्राः न घातुकाः एव साधु. शरारुधाधुको हिंस्र इत्यमरः. नामिकम्पि इत्यादिना रप्रत्ययः भवति. हिंस्र. ओके. किमुत सुष्ठु न प्रभव इति योज्यं. बलवत् सुष्ठु किमुत स्वस्ति अतीव निर्भरे इति अमरः. अस्तु, idea is clear. Let's move to next shloka. भक्त्या गुरौ मय्यनुकम्पया च प्रीतास्मिते पुत्रवरं प्रणिष्व न केवलानां पयसां प्रसूतिम् अवेहि मां कामदुघां प्रसन्नाम्. Now I am pleased with your bhakti, Guru Bhakti. He putra, Gurau Bhaktya Mayi Anukampaya cha Ketubhyam Pritasmi. I am very much pleased with you. After seeing your devotion to your Guru and the compassion towards me, for me, I am very much pleased with you. Varam Vranishva, ask upon. माम केवलानां पयसां प्रसूतिम अवेहि. माम केवलानां पयसां प्रसूतिम मा अवेहि. नो मी टू बी नॉट ओनली द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ मिल्क. केवलम तत्र केवलानां पयसां प्रसूतिम न न केवलानां तत्र न इति मिसिंग वर्तते अन्वयमध्ये. न अवेहि मां केवलानां प्रयसानां प्रसूतिं न अवेहि नाम किं तत्र अत्रापि टाइपो वर्तते तत् करोमि अधुनैव. किं वदति कौ. सी सेज you might be thinking that this is a samanya cow. It is the just source of, she just give a milk, but don't think like that. That is how you should not know me. You should know me that prasanna mam kamadugam avehi. I am a kamaduga. Whatever person desires, I can fulfill that. So know me this way. So whatever you are going to ask, I am going to fulfill that your desire. Now this is how cow has explained. Now what he is going to say, Raja Dilipa. Tatas samaniya samanitarthi hastau swahastarjita veera shabdah vamshasya kartarya mananta kirtim sudakshinayam tanayam yayache. Tatah, then Sah Raja Manitarthi, who has honored supplicants, Swahastarjita Veera Shabdah, Swahastaihi Arjitah Yashah, Jai Ho, Dilip ki Jai Ho. ऐसा वीर शब्द उन्होंने अपने हाथों से साधा था. स्वहस्तार्जित वीर शब्द. He has gained the fame because of his own heroic qualities, by the might of his arms. Sahastau samaniya vamshasya kartaram ananta kirtim tanayam sudakshinayam yayache. That Raja, that king asked Yayache. He asked. What he asked? Tanayam. Which kind of Tanayam? Putram asked. He asked Putra. He asked son by Sudakshina, such as will be the founder of the dynasty and earn and the undying reputation. Ananta kirtim tanayam vamshasya kartaram tanayam sahayayache. Vamshasya kartaram, one who is the founder of dynasty, one who is a great son in his dynasty. Vamshasya kartaram, who continues the vamsha, anvayah. That is Ananta Kirtim, whose kirti is Ananta. Tasyaha kirtehe tasya kirtehe antah nasti tadrushah ananta kirtim tanayam sahayayache. Now he has asked a son who can, who can be the continuer of his own dynasty and who can earn Ananta Kirti. That is how Raja Dilip has asked. Then what happened? Santana kama yat tatheti kamam radne pratishtrutya payasvini sa dugdva payapatra pute madiyam putropabhungshveti tamadidesha. Having listened his words, having listened his prarthana, what that Payasvini, that cow does, says, Sa Payasvini, Santana Kamaya, Santana Kamaha राज्ञे प्रतिश्रुत्य पुत्र मदीयं पत्रपुटे दुग्ध दुग्ध्वा उपभुङ्क्ष्व इति तम् आदिदेश। तत्र पुनः टाइपो वर्तते दुग्ध्वा इति भवेत् खलु। Here she says santanakamaaya. Let me show some everything. What she says सानंदिनी राज्ञे दिलीपाय तथास्तु इति प्रतिश्रुत्य उक्तवती हे पुत्र मदीयं पयः पलाशनिर्मितपात्रे दुग्ध्वा पिब इति आदिदेश. Means what? She has listened king's words. Having listening that, what she says, sa payasvini, that cow, santana kamaya, for him, one who desires santana, he is called santana kama. So santana kamaya tasmai ayam shabdah atra avashyakah nasti. अत्रापि अस्य एवं करोमि. अस्तु, कंटिन्यू कुर्मः. संतानकामाय संतानं कामयते इति संतानकामः कर्मणि अनप्रत्ययः कृतः तस्मै राज्ञे तथा इति काम्यते इति कामः वरः कर्मार्थे घय प्रत्ययः निष्पादितः तं कामं प्रतिश्रुत्य वॉट एवर ही डिजायर she has heard that pratijnaya and then she says having doing pratijna हे पुत्र मदीयं पत्रपूटे पूटम नाम पत्र निर्मिते पात्रे दुग्ध्वा उपभुङ्क्ष्व पिब. You have to milk me and you have to drink that. इति आज्ञापितवती. इति आज्ञा तया प्रदत्ता. Now what Raja does, he is going to do something and then he will be returning to the Ayodhya, and there is a big gap. People has not seen Raja Dilipa. He had given up all his own duties for getting son, right? So now when his parana, when his vratam is fulfilled, then he take the permission from Vasishtha ji and he returns back towards Ayodhya. And how people look at that Raja along with his wife, how they are looking because of vrata, how their body structure has become. That is how the idea will be presented in coming next shlokas. So we'll see those shlokas tomorrow and we will complete second sarga of Raghuvamsha successfully. So we'll meet tomorrow. We'll do Shanti Patha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Hari Om.